I'm happy, but I cannot believe because it's a great feeling to be back on the first position. It was a long time from Sepang from 2010, and in these years I make to me also my this question. I can come back on the first position or not? It was a tough period, but. I never give up. I always work because this is my passion. I love ride and race motorcycle, and I have to thank you, the Yamaha, for giving me another chance with the M1 in the factory team. And at the beginning, I wasn't not confident with the bike. I have to find the right balance. But from this race, I have a better potential, especially because I can ride the bike in a better way. And today, before the race, I think I have to try to win because this is my day. And I have also Lorenzo that is injured. I feel good, so I try from the beginning. And was long. I fight with everybody. I fight with Mark. I fight with Pedrosa and with Cal. But I have always a little bit faster in some places, and I'm so happy. I have to thank you to all the guys, to all the people that helped me for make this, and now we have to continue at this level.